So guys, we're going to get something here in Best Buy. The Lenovo Yoga 7i, the bestseller. This guys is the Lenovo Yoga. As you can see, this is 16.1. See? There's also here the price, and then continue watching because I'm going to unbox later. So I got the Ultra Core. So this one I got it. This one, no, it's $6.99 guys. So this is the looks for the Yoga. As you can see, it's bigger, it's big, so it's good quality. As you can see, this is the display for us so far. So AMD Radeon, this one the available one, but this is the Intel Core i7. So it's just the same, as you can see. So it's only $699. So it's very good, and the reason why I purchased this one because the review is very good. So this is good for multimedia, and this is tablet also. You can do this tablet 2-in-1. Okay, it's very good, right? The price is right. So continue watching because I'll do unboxing later. Okay, so this is a up camera also. There's a close, there's an open button. It's amazing price deal. So this is the deal, like 3 hours more, and then it will go back to 1049. So grab now guys, you have still more 3 hours. So that's all. So we're going to unbox this Lenovo Yoga 16-inch 2-in-1. So we're going to open it. Need to remove this one. So this is the lock one. Oh my god. You know. Oh. So there is protection for this laptop. Yeah. So this is the laptop. As you can see. Going to remove here. So this is the, I don't know, this is look like welcome. So this is the manual with Lenovo. See? So there's a cover. So this is the Lenovo. See? The color is beautiful. Look like black and dark gray. So the reason why I bought this one because it's bestseller and costs around $699. So we'll try to open this. Wow, see guys, amazing. See, wow, look at those, so beautiful. And there's also protection here, the guide, plastic free pre-planets, power connector function. There's a code here, notebook mode. So the good thing on this one, the highlights for this is notebook mode, stand mode, 10 mode, tablet mode. It's beautiful. And there's a paper here. Okay, so what's inside? Also there's of course the cable. See? Oh, there's also cable guys here. This is the cable. So this is 665 watts, I guess. Yeah, this is 65 watts. Yeah, 65 watts. See, 65 watts, guys. It's blurry. Oh, 65 watts. And this is the connection. The adapter with the here. There's a see. So you just connect this here. And you're good to go, and it's long. See? So that's all with the box. Just to put it back here. So we're going to show you the how thick is this. So this is the side-by-side angle. So as you can see, there's the 3.5 jack, and this is USB-C, USB-C 2, and this is a USB cable. So this the exhaust, the speaker. See, as you can see, in the side by side, and this one, 2 USB cable. And the good thing of this, there's a memory card SD. So this one, and this is the power on the side. So this is the power on sides, guys. Look, this is the power on side. See, power on here on the side. So in the back, this is in the back for the exhaust, for the pan. See, this is the pan. So we're going to open it. I don't know if I can open it with one hand, so I'm going to, yeah, no, you cannot. You need to put something. So this is the one. So the power on is it here, right? So we're going to power on here. Now it's beautiful. See, it's beautiful. This is side by side, and this is the fingerprint. There's a fingerprint here. See, and there's also here yoga, battery life, face ID. There's also Intel Core 7. So in the camera, you can just remove the camera here. So there's a close open camera. See, camera here, close open. See, you can just remove this one if you like to remove it. Just wait. Yeah, remove it. Yes, so it's already removed. And if you don't like camera, they can close like this. So if red means close, if open, it's like that. Okay, so the speaker grill is here. Before there's here the HP, the NB. Now the Lenovo is here. So some model there's a Lenovo also his speaker here, the speaker grill. And this is Dolby Vision Atmos. Yeah, so I'm trying to press it here, guys. So that's the only unboxing. So thank you for watching, and I will continue to set up this for next video. So Lenovo Yoga.